Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by placing the amplifier where it gets airflow and won't vibrate. Once positioned, connect your speaker cables to the correct outputs and confirm the impedance matches the speakers to avoid damage. Then plug in power but leave master volume and gain at minimum so you don't send a strong signal at startup. This prevents loud pops and protects speakers. Now you're ready to route your input source into the amps channel and prepare for the next step. You now focus on routing and leveling. Plug your instrument or line-level device into the appropriate input, preferring balanced cables to reduce noise. Once connected, raise the channel gain slowly while keeping master volume low, listening for distortion. Gain shapes tone and headroom. Next, tweak EQ gently. Small moves change character without ruining balance. If using pedals or rack effects, place them in the amps effects loop where instructed. You finish by dialing the EQ and master volume to the level you'll actually play at. Since tone changes with loudness, make notes or mark knobs. For recording, choose the amps die or mic the cabinet at the speaker cone for desired brightness. Before powering down, reduce volume and mute if available. If you encounter hum or noise, try one troubleshooting tip. Isolate the problem by swapping cables, lifting ground loops, and disconnecting pedals one at a time until the source is found.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.